Okay, students. Today we are discussing some more examples related to that topic. Which of the followings are AP? If they form an AP, find the common difference and write the two more terms. These are the given list of numbers here: 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2, and so on. Minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2, and so on. 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222, and so on. 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2, and so on. Okay, yesterday we solved the same type of problem, but the given list of numbers in the yesterday class, these are to be just integers. Based on the integers, we can solve the problem. But here, these are to be real numbers. These are to be real numbers. Rational, irrational numbers are to be there here. So the procedure is to be same. Okay. So first, given list of first question, we can solve the first question here. Given the list of numbers 2, 5 by 2, 3, 7 by 2, and so on. Then with the first term a1 2, second term 5 by 2, third term 3, fourth term 7 by 2. So just I wrote here a1 is equal to 2, a2 is equal to 5 by 2, a3 is equal to 3, a4 is equal to 7 by 2. So how can you say that the given list of numbers are in AP? Their common differences are to be same. Okay, if the common differences are to be same, common difference, how can you find the common difference of those numbers? The conjugative terms differences are same. Conjugative term is 2 comma 5 by 2 are conjugative, 5 by 2 comma 3 are conjugative, 3 comma 7 by 2 are conjugative. 2 and 3 are not to be conjugative here. In this problem, 2 and 3 are not to be conjugative because those are not to be beside numbers. Okay, so now a2 minus a1, 5 by 2 minus 2. LCM of those numbers is to be 2, 5 minus 4 by solving LCM. So the result is equal to 1 by 2. A3 minus A2. A3 is 3, A2 is 5 by 2. 3 minus 5 by 2 means it is to be 6 minus 5 by 2. LCM procedure 1 by 2. A4 minus A3. A4 is 7 by 2. A3 is 3. 7 by 2 minus 3 is equal to by LCM is to be 2. 7, 3 2 is 6. 7 minus 6, 1 by 2. Here a2 minus a1 is equal to 1 by 2, a3 minus a2 is equal to 1 by 2, a4 minus a3 is equal to 1 by 2. So all the differences are to be equal. So a2 minus a1 is equal to a3 minus a1 is equal to a4 minus a3 is equal to 1 by 2. If the differences are to be equal, then automatically the given list of numbers are in AP. So what to write here? So the list of numbers form an AP with the common difference D is 1 by 2. With the common difference D is 1 by 2. So if the given list of numbers are in AP, then you can find the next two more terms in the list of numbers. Two more terms. How many terms are to be known here? Just 4 terms are to be known. Okay, then we can find the fifth term and sixth term in the problem. So what is the fifth term? What is the fifth term? So common difference is added to its preceding term, then automatically we are getting the fifth term. So common difference D, it is to be added to the preceding term of the required term. So required term is to be fifth term, then its preceding term is to be fourth term. A4 plus D. A4 is 7 by 2. How can you say that? It is A4 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2. 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2 means 7 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 8 by 2, that is equal to 4. Then a6 is equal to difference is to be added to its preceding term. It's the sixth term. We require the sixth term. Then the difference is added to which term? Sixth term preceding term is to be fifth term. A5 plus D. What's the A5 here? 4. 4 plus 1 by 2. So by adding those numbers, you are getting the result is to be 9 by 2. Then automatically the next two terms of this given AP is 4 comma 9 by 2. Okay, 4 comma 9 by 2. The next question. What's the next question here? Minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2, and so on. Okay, here we can observe the thing directly. So what is the difference here? Minus 2. Each and except the first term, each and every term is to be added by minus 2. Then we are getting the next term. Minus 1.2, minus 2, minus 3.2. Minus plus minus 2, minus 5.2. Plus minus 2 minus 7.2, then minus 2 is to be added to this one, then automatically you are getting a minus 9.2. Minus 2 is to be added to that name, number, then automatically you are getting the minus 11.2. Then all these numbers are having the common difference is to be 2, then automatically those are in AP. Okay, you can follow the procedure here. So given list of numbers minus 1.2 comma minus 3.2 comma minus 5.2 comma minus 7.2 and so on, then it is a A1 minus 1.2, A2 minus 3.2, A3 minus 5.2, A4 minus 7.2, A2 minus A1 minus 3.2 minus of minus 1.2, that is equal to minus 3.2, minus of minus means plus 1.2, minus 3.2 plus 1.2 is equal to minus 2. Then A3 minus A2 is equal to minus 5.2 minus of minus 1.2 minus the minus of minus 3.2, then minus 5.2 plus 3.2 is equal to minus 2. Okay, here both the differences are to be same, then automatically A2 minus A1 is also to be equal to A3 minus A2. Okay, here A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2 is equal to minus 2. So the list of numbers form AP with the common difference D is equal to minus 2. If those are in AP, then automatically we can find the next two more terms. How many terms are to be given in the question? Just 4 terms are to be mentioned. Then you can find the fifth and the sixth term in the given AP. So how can you get the fifth term? So the common difference is added to its preceding term. D is added with the preceding term of A5 is A4. Okay, A4 plus D. A4 is minus 7 by 2 plus of minus 2 means minus 7.2 minus 2, that is equal to minus 9.2. The same way A6 is equal to A5 plus D, that is equal to minus 9.2 plus of minus 2, that is equal to minus 9.2 minus 2. Minus 9.2 minus 2 is minus 11.2. So the required next two terms are to be minus 9.2 minus 11.2. Okay, the next two terms are this. Coming to the next third question, the same problem. Given the list of numbers 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222 and so on. Here all the numbers are to be decimals. It is A1, A2, A3, A4. By observing the list of numbers, we can say that directly those are not in AP. Because the difference of these two numbers is to be 0.02. Difference of these two numbers is to be 0.002. Difference of these two numbers 0.0002. Okay, so then we'll do the problem here. A1 is equal to 0.2, A2 is equal to this, A2 is equal to this, A4 is equal to this. A2 minus A1, 0.22 minus 0.2, that is equal to 0.02. A3 minus A2 is equal to 0.222 minus 0.22, that is equal to 0.002. So already you know that how can you subtract the decimals in your earlier classes. Okay, so next, so according to that those are not to be equal. A2 minus A1 is not equal to A3 minus A2. So if those are not to be equal, then automatically the list of numbers does not form AP. Does not form AP. Then coming to the next question. Given the list of numbers 3, 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 3 root 2 and so on. And so on. Okay, by observing that those are to be irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. Okay, where A1 is equal to 3, A2 is equal to 3 plus root 2, A3 is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, A4 is equal to 3 plus 3 root 2. Okay, then A2 minus A1, 3 plus root 2 minus 3 plus 3 minus 3 cancel, the result is equal to root 2 only. A3 minus A2, 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 plus root 2. So 3 plus 2 root 2 as it is, minus is to be applicable to both terms of the second term. Okay, so minus 3 minus into plus minus root 2 plus 3 minus 3 cancel, 2 root 2 minus root 2 is equal to root 2. Already we know the topic irrational numbers in our 9th class. Okay, so 2 root 2 minus root 2 is equal to root 2 only. So how can you say that 2 root 2 minus root 2 is equal to root 2 means the similar irrational numbers, these values root 2. So just assume that those are to be variables. So if root 2 is equal to x, then we can write it as that 2x minus x. Okay, if root 2 is equal to x, 2x minus x. 2x minus x is equal to x only. In the same way, 2 root 2 minus root 2 is equal to root 2. That's the way of the subtraction in the irrational numbers. Then a4 minus a3. So 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 plus 2 root 2. So this minus is to be applicable both the terms of this product. Okay, this term. So 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus into plus minus 2 root 2. Okay, plus 3 minus 3 cancel. Here 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. Just now I said it. The similar irrational numbers are to be assuming the variable x. So 3x minus 2x. 3x minus 2x is to be x. So instead of x, what do you write here? Root 2. Okay. So then a4 minus a3 is equal to a3 minus a2 is equal to a2 minus a1 is equal to root 2. Just observe here. Root 2, root 2, root 2. All the irrational number, all the values are to be root 2's only. Then automatically they have the common difference, that is to be root 2. So the given list of numbers from A, P with the common difference D is equal to root 2. Then automatically you can find the next two more terms A5, A6. Already set A5 is equal to A4 plus D. 3 plus 3 root 2 is A4 plus root 2. 3 root 2 plus root 2 is equal to 4 root 2. 3 plus 4 root 2. Then it is a fifth term added by the common difference, that means root 2. Then we are getting the sixth term. So 3 plus 4 root 2 plus root 2. 4 root 2 plus root 2 is equal to 5 root 2. 3 plus 5 root 2. Can you say what is the next term? 3 plus 6 root 2. The next term 3 plus 7 root 2. The next term 3 plus 8 root 2. Like that. Okay. The next two terms are 3 plus 4 root 2. 3 plus 5 root 2. Okay.